y'all, welcome to another video from Washington Parish Weather Now in Bogalusa. We're a division of time and temperature of Washington Parish. For time, temperature, and weather forecast, call our time and temperature at 735-9866. It's a free call from anywhere in the parish. Lots of smartphone users are calling it. We get over 600,000 calls a year. We're at the car show in Bogalusa this weekend. You can take a good look around at all the different cars. This was on Saturday, September the 16th or 17th, 2016. Nice car, truck. This had a very good turnout too, by the way. This is Mark Irvine from Washington Parish Weather Now. Get a good look. We'll also be putting this up on our YouTube page very soon. Very soon. As you see, it's a good turnout. So around about 1 o'clock on Saturday afternoon.
If everybody wants to start making their way towards, also on Saturday, September 24th, they're going to have the first annual classes call. Again, that's next Saturday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. in Carrier, Mississippi. We have a brochure up here if anybody wants to look at
it. Trying to squeeze in as many cars as we can in the time limit. A lot of nice cars here. This is Mark Irvine from Washington Parish Weather Now. If you want to find out about events, go to our webpage, WashingtonParishNow.com. Click on Events Calendar. If you're on your mobile phone, if you're on your PC, you can always visit WashingtonParishNow.com. We are developing some new products on there. Later we'll be offering coupons, etc. So it's going to be very exciting in 2017 what we're going to be offering on WashingtonParishNow.com.
Everybody got their tickets ready?
Like us on Facebook, Washington Parish Weather Now. Share our page. We'll be having lots and lots of announcements. We got a big announcement coming up very soon.
Hey, don't miss one on the end down there, that red one.
Oh, okay, I will. It just told me to make sure I get this one. A lot of nice cars down here. Good quality American cars. Cars you don't see much anymore. Got some custom cars too. Custom cars and trucks.
4209012.
Visit, make sure you call time and temperature 735-9866. We get over 600,000 calls a year. 70% of those do come from smartphone users. So, believe it or not, we get phone calls from probably about 6 different states. We're also the home of Santa Phone. Santa Phone starts Thanksgiving Day till Christmas Day. We put Santa on the time and temperature right after the time, temperature, and weather forecast. You can hear Santa starting Thanksgiving Day to Christmas Day at 985-735-9866. It's been a tradition. At that time, usually people in nearly 15 different states call the time and temperature. We're fighting to keep time and temperature for free. There's a lot of things going on with that. Currently, there are about 2,000 operators around the country operate time and temperature weather systems. This is the car show downtown Columbia Street in Bogalusa that was on Saturday, September the 17th. We're going to put this up on our YouTube video. We can get some motorcycles here. This is very interesting. I saw this on the road.
Tiger print, the LSU Tiger print. 4209067. Bubba Strahan. Bubba Strahan.
This concludes our video. This is Mark Irvine from Washington Parish Weather Now. Time and temperature, Washington Parish and WashingtonParishNow.com. Thank y'all very much. Visit our websites, like us on Facebook page, Washington Parish Weather Now. We'll be having some giveaways later on. Don't forget, we're going to be having our free calendar sponsored by GAR Insurance and Cajun Canvas that's right down here on Columbia Street. That's coming up very soon. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great week and great weekend.